This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Warning: hydrogen gas is produced by the battery, so keep open flames and ignited cigarettes away from it at all times. Always wear eye protection when working around a battery. Rinse off spilled electrolyte immediately with large amounts of water. Always disconnect the negative battery cable first and reconnect it last, or the battery may be shorted by the tool being used to loosen the cable clamps. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Release the hood prop rod from the clip on the right side of the engine compartment and place the prop rod into its slot in the hood. Loosen the cable clamp nut and then disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the positive terminal of the battery. Unscrew the bolt and move the hold down back until the hook on the battery hold down rod can be removed from the mounting hole near the bottom edge of the battery. Move the hold down bracket out of the way, then remove the insulator and lift out the battery. Be careful, it is heavy. Using clean towels, clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a clean, smooth, and even surface. Place towels down below the cable ends and make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery terminal brush. Inspect the cable ends to make sure they are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, place them on towels to catch the corrosion and clean the cables with a battery brush. If the cable ends are severely corroded, use a mixture of baking soda and water applied to the corroded areas of the cables to neutralize the corrosion, then clean them with a brush. Wearing gloves at this stage is highly recommended. Install the battery into the battery tray. Install the insulator around the battery. Install the battery hold-down clamp and tighten the clamp bolt securely. Connect the positive cable onto the positive terminal of the battery and tighten the cable nut securely. Then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery, then tighten its cable nut securely. When the battery is disconnected and reconnected, the vehicle may experience abnormal driving symptoms until the computer relearns its adaptive strategy. The vehicle may need to be driven 10 miles or more to regain smooth operation. Certain other convenience functions will also need reprogramming.